Hello everyone, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to see how to create a QR code generator using Python. So here we have to use some module in order to create some QR code, and you can also do some customizations of generating how you want to create a QR code. So we will see all of these things today. Now first we have to install the module. So install the module. So you have to do pip install myQR. So this is the module name we are going to use. So I'll just comment this one so you can able to install it later. So just copy and paste it in the terminal. If you are using Anaconda, means you can go into Anaconda prompt and paste it there. So like this, just paste it and press enter. It will install the module for you. And after the installation is done, you can go and start generating your QR code. First, let's import the module from myQR, import myQR. So this is the module name. Now this is like a single line command. You can do it easily. myqr.run. So you can pass any text you want. I'm going to pass the website. So http://bit.ly/hackersrealm. So this is a link for my channel. So I'm going to create a QR code for that. You can also pass any other text or any other website you want. You can also pass Google. So after this, you can mention the save name. So save name equals, I will say QR channel.png. Okay, this is my save name. Let's run it to see whether we can able to see this file. So this will be the image. So the output will be the image. So if you scan the image, means it will automatically redirect to this website. Now let's run this. To run in Visual Studio Code, you can press Ctrl plus F5. So the program ran successfully. Let's open this. So this is the QR code. It's generated. So you can also pause the video and scan the QR code using your phone to check whether it is working or not. So right now I am trying to scan using my phone. So it's actually scanned and it's showing me the URL. So if you click on the URL, means it's automatically redirecting to the channel URL. So it is working fine. You can also check it if you want. And apart from this, what if I want to customize this QR code for my channel? So it's like any other QR code. It's not like, it's simple and it's not containing anything. So we can also customize this QR code image. So let's do the customization. So this is the normal command. Let's comment this out. I'll also comment it to generate normal QR code. Okay, that's done. Now to generate customized QR code. Now to generate the customized QR code, you have to use the same command. So myqr.run. So here we will set the parameters. So it's automatically showing you some parameters, right? We are going to use that only. So we will say words equals the same URL. And after that, picture, we are going to add some another picture inside the QR code. So picture name is test image.jpg and colorized equals true. Save name is same name but with customization. So I will call it as QR channel customized. So these are the parameters I just added. So this is the only added parameters. Now let's run this. Okay, now it generated a new image. Let's look into the PNG file. So you can see, right? So this is the customized QR code. The image is like a hacker, but it's not displaying so much clearly here. So the actual image is this, but the displaying image is this. You can also use any other image to see how it's working. So you can also scan this QR code and check whether it is working or not. So while I'm checking, currently it is working in my phone. So it's like a customized QR code you can generate for your own purpose, for your business or any other thing. So it will be very helpful for you. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily generate your QR code with Python. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video.